just south of Industrial Boulevard, IH-35 southbound under the railroad tracks. Our exit is just after the right turn only lane, and right at the must exit sign is our entrance. Industrial Boulevard and I-35 in Temple, Texas. 11 great level graded back end spots along this back line here. We will mark them out better with signposts in the coming days. Once you're parked, here is your exit and your view back onto the interstate. Pull out and go. Easy on. Easy turnaround for northbound. Easy on for southbound. Thanks for parking with us.